Hello, and thank you for stopping by the Soroptimist International page. This video will walk you through the steps of how to donate during the Big Day of Giving on May 6th, and we want to thank you for your support. So to donate, go to the Big Day of Giving website. That's www.bigdayofgiving.com. Soroptimist International of Elk Grove is one of 3 participating Soroptimist clubs in the Sacramento area. To find us, click up top where it says Find Organizations. When you choose Soroptimist International of Elk Grove, this screen will pop up. Here's a little blurb about what we do. You can click Learn More to find out what our club does and who we help. Click Give to go directly to our donation page. You can click on any of the tabs to learn more about our programs, board members, fundraising, and financial information. You can always click Donate Now to support our Live Your Dream programs. When you click on the Documents tab, you can review our financial documents. Then you come to the page where you can choose your donation amount. Answer the questions in the Details section below. Here are the details to complete. When you're finished, click Add to Cart. This is your donation cart, which shows you how much you've chosen to donate. And every organization will appreciate it. This is also your opportunity to donate directly to the Big Day of Giving Fund, or if you want to donate to additional nonprofits. Or you can choose the checkout button. If you have previously donated during Big Day of Giving, you can just log in, or simply create a donor profile and click Sign Up. Add your payment information here. Then read the terms of service and click in the box. And then simply click Submit. When you donate to Soroptimist of Elk Grove, you change a woman's life. You help put her and her family on the path out of poverty. You help a girl become confident and strong. Can they count on you? Thank you very much for your donation and for taking the time to watch this video.